Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2019 Mercedes-Benz C300. This is a 4MATIC, and this is finished in polar white. This is a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with an automatic gearbox. And as I do my walk around here today, I'm going to point out anything that I see that may be cosmetic. And we'll start up here at the front bumper. Notice just beneath the little headlight here, a spot, and a few other spots of road rash. Some of this is usually normal. Other vehicles, trucks, kicking up dirt and debris. There's a small spot here just to the left of the tow hook cover. This is optioned with the illuminated star. And we'll pop over here to the driver front wheel. You'll notice a little bit of curb rash on this one. Right around the edge there. And a few little small scuffs, or maybe even slight pitting there near the center of the wheel. Front brakes have 8 millimeters of life left. All 4 tires were just replaced in service. Back here to the driver rear wheel. Great shape. This one's got just a little spot there on the lip and a little bit there. But other than that, this one's in really good shape. Rear brakes have 6 millimeters of life left on them. Notice back here on the bumper, a few spots there just below the cargo area. And back here to the passenger rear wheel. Notice a little bit of curb rash on this one as well, right there along the edge. And finally up here to the passenger front wheel. A little more of that curb rash going on here. And into the interior. Black leather. This is the Mercedes-Benz textured leather. Burmester premium audio. Have the natural grain gray oak wood trim. Nice dual sunroof system here. Obviously the rear sunroof is a fixed panel. driver memory settings there. Have the adjustable knee bolster for the driver's seat. 3-stage heated seats. This does have the S-Card navigation pre-wiring, so it is not loaded from the factory, but it can be. Radio, Bluetooth. You also have the multifunction steering wheel here. And if I can get to your mileage here. Current mileage 34445. This does have the heated steering wheel, lane change assist, and the premium package. That about wraps it up. Folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, give us a call anytime, 614-793-1050. Or feel free to visit our website, www.autoassets.com.